Hello, you lucky lads, nieces and nephews. It's your girl Bad on BB here, and I got another Boxy Charm box. Let me move my wig out the way. This is the March 2021 lucky Boxy Charm box. Tomorrow is St. Patty's Day, so that's why I've been emphasizing so much luck, guys. Can I just say, there's nothing like getting a delivery notification that you were not even expecting and finding out it's makeup. A box full of makeup. Let's see. Maven Beauty Rose Water Setting Spray valued at $20. We've got a wet brush cleaning system with silicone scrubbing pad. Lime Crime, oh my gosh, I've never tried Lime Crime before. Lime Crime Venus 3 eyeshadow palette. What are y'all up to? Damn, girl, for shamelessly thick and curled lashes. Okay, maybe I won't need a lash today. Cab lip oil, it is valued at $20. Juicy hydrated lips, yes, for the luscious lips gals. Let me put this on right now as lip prep. It's like a beautiful little lip gloss. I might as well start off with that, cause when you got supersized lips, you can never be crusty. Crusty attracts the dusty. We ain't got time. I've never gotten anything from Lime Crime before, and this packaging is absolutely gorgeous. If this palette is anything like Boxy Charm's last month palette, like, I'm gonna be in seventh heaven, because they give you some quality stuff. Like every product that I just told you guys about here, $38, $26, $22, $20, $15. You get 5 full-size products, over $125 worth of products for $25 by ordering this subscription box. All my beauty niestas that are kind of on a budget, that love high quality stuff, like, you should really look in the Boxy Charm, and I'll leave the box below where you can use this, okay? But Venus 3, okay, I think I might not need lashes for these, because y'all see, I got a little something there. Look at this Lime Crime palette here. It's all like a beautiful taupe highlight. They're all shimmery. There's nothing matte except Dreamy and Ecstasy here, which is like a brown and a mauve. But everything else is kind of shimmery. Bliss might be a little, I could use that as a blush too, Bliss right there. But everything else is kind of shimmery. So I think I could come with a very easy subtle, and since it is Venus, the goddess of love, it gives me love vibes, and I could totally do things with that. On top of that, I'll get a lovely little mirror here, and I know my fellow beauty istas love that. You know we love that, okay? So yeah, let's get into a look, shall we? Dreamy. Ooh, look at how pigmented that is, y'all. Oh yes. Paradise. I'm getting a little fallout under my eye already though. I don't like that. But I'm gonna do a purple halo eye. So I'm gonna leave a little bit in the center for the next color before I start blending things. Now I'll take beam and put that in the center of my halo eye. It's gonna make sense in the end, don't worry. Ooh, this glitter is pretty. Oh yes, it's definitely giving me Goddess of Love vibes. Ooh, I'm like. Now I'm gonna take some of my Maybelline Tattoo Studio and line this eye before I go in and smoke the under purple out, because I'm gonna make this very, very extra. Also, I'm gonna take that pencil brush again and take Ecstasy to deepen that V. I knew I was missing something, but you'll see. You see how that opens up a little bit? I'm gonna have to reblend it, but I never, since I have small eyes, I never have to apply too much to deepen the V. Just a little bit, and then I'm gonna take my blendy brush and blend that right in. Smoking it out with Paradise. I want Paradise all underneath these eyes, because it's giving me that I need. But let me go on and finish my face, okay? Got my Wet n Wild pencil, and I am so glad we are over Instagram eyebrows. I really just like filling my brows in with a pencil. I'm gonna take Rapture and put a little bit in this pop. Just gonna make that pop for me. Are you gonna make it pop? Are you gonna make it pop or no? I don't know. She's giving me soft pop. I wanted more pop. I don't know what happened to these two colors. They kind of light. I don't know right now. But yeah, let me go ahead and put my face on for y'all. Using my Fenty and Walnut. This has been a lifesaver for me. Like, I love this as a foundation because it really does match my skin. My winter tone, this is it to a T. And cream foundations are just mad easy for me. You see how nicely it blends otherwise. Look at the finish. Yes, Fenty, yes. I love it. Now I'm gonna take my NYX in the color Neutral Buff. That's gonna be what I use to highlight. That's what I like to do. I do not highlight the forehead because that forehead big as hell. Now what I'm gonna do is take my Bear With Me spray from NYX. It's sativa seed oil infused. Or to blend this concealer out. Bear with me. You gotta bear. Look at that. Damn shame how good I look. Concealer is all boy. Boy, this concealer, boy, don't even play with me. I'm about to take my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in the color Light Medium. Or, yep. And that's what I usually use to set my eye. I do not do the baking. I have dry skin. Baking is not for me. This is like such a cute little spring look. Like, I'm giving vibes. Now, I'm taking the NYX lip liner in the color Nebula. What's she gonna do with that? What's she gonna do with that? Okay, I'm about to take this L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Liquid Lipstick, and this is my spring color of choice. I just got this. This liquid lipstick is so hard to get off, guys. But I'm using the color 820 Praline de Paris. Praline de Paris. You know, I'm working on my French R, y'all. That make my lips look super big, but I'm here for it. I'm gonna go for the rosy cheek look. I'm taking my e.l.f. and this is the blush palette for dark tones, and I'm going to use a little bit of these. Blend them and just kind of rosy my cheeks up just a bit. I don't know what y'all think. I might lighten it up. I might lighten it up. Usual dusual Maybelline Master Contour. I just don't differ from this ever because it matches. Like, I don't like dirty contour. I like a warm bronzer contour, and this just does it for me. Like, go up and down that nose, the bridge, from the eyeshadow down to the nose. You can take it in the corner of the nose, the bottom of the nose. As light or as heavy as you want to go. I like a light contour because your girl has a big nose. You know, I'm Afro-American, okay? And I've got these big voluptuous lips. I don't understand how people are trying to make their noses look all skinny, but everything on you is West African featured. Like, sweetie, we have big jawlines, we have big lips. What the hell do you look like with an anorexic nose and an obese lip? Like, it just doesn't make sense to me. Now that that part of the contour is over, I will take my contour yet again and just hit the perimeters of the face. I do have the Riri forehead. That's why whenever I wear a short bob, I get a lot of Rihanna comments. But you know, she's bad gal Riri and I'm bad Aunt BB, okay? Come on now. Big difference. Big difference, okay? Two celebrities, very different lanes in life, all right? Y'all know your girl is 135, or excuse me, y'all know your girl is 134 pounds today. Like, as if I really needed to bring out my jawbone. Y'all see it? Like, my face is so skinny now. Sis has a jawline, like, to go from 160 pounds to 134 pounds in a year with fibromyalgia. Like, I'm just proud of me for like really taking the effort in to change my life, and I'm grateful to God that he kept me, even though you know, the doctors say XYZ is incurable, but I serve a God that says differently. I found lifestyle changes that work for me, so I've talked about that in another video, but I just had to mention that because I was looking skinny and people's probably out here like, dang. So yeah, this is a look, but lashes. Just hold it for a few seconds, bring it out, get the tips, hold it for a few more seconds. How to curl your lashes, hold it for a few seconds, bring it out, get the tips, hold it for a few more seconds. Very easy to use eyelash curler. If you don't want to wear eyelashes, you don't have to, sis, you don't have to. But now we get to get into this damn girl. I want to say damn Gina. Let's see. I want to see something Too Faced because I ain't used no Too Faced mascara in a while. And this better not disappoint. Oh, wow. They definitely made them thick, all right. Oh my gosh. Wow, look at that. The difference here versus here. That girl's got lashes. Hold on now, hold on. Let me tap that bottom lash. Oh shit, the lash tapped me. Oh my gosh. I don't have lashes. This is crazy. What y'all think? I'm gonna apply some hair, put a little perfume on, make myself feel good, feel like a dime 99. What do y'all think? I'll be right back. Okay. I'm back. I'm glowed up, and I decided I want to add a little lip gloss. So I took my vanilla cream pie from NYX, the butter gloss, and I was like, it's doing a little bit of something, but it needed a little bit of something more. Take Blossom Glow from Wet n Wild and dab that on the tip of my cheeks, because I just felt like this look is so adorable. It can use, you know, it's so doll-like to me. It's doll love. It's something all the makeup lovers are gonna love. So I'm just gonna take my fingers, have them nice and warmed up. And yeah, I feel like that's the best way to apply where I want my highlighter to go today. And wow, it's just, I feel like a Barbie. Oh, I had to give y'all a look. I put Outre Sabrina on. If you don't know about this hair, then click the link in the description box so you can see my review on it. But yes, she's complete. I am so in love. Wait, we're not complete, because guess what? I have to use this rose water setting spray. Shake well. Smells nice. Not as rosy. It's kind of like rose mixed with alcohol. Is there alcohol in here? It smells kind of like a baby wipe after a while. Like a baby wipe. Not quite rosy, but it did something for me. So shout outs to Boxy Charm for providing me with this box. I will show you guys on my Instagram story me using this makeup wiper. Since I didn't get to use everything for you guys, I wanted this to be more of a tutorial and push this out as ASAP, because tomorrow's St. Patty's Day. I want you guys to have this tutorial for St. Patrick's Day. And I want to use this wet brush cleaning system on my Instagram and my YouTube stories. So make sure you subscribe to me and you check me out on social media. There is no community without the you and the I. So you know I love hearing from you guys here, there. Leave comments, questions, concerns below. Tell me what you think of the look. Tell me what you think of Boxy Charm. Ask me any questions you have. Check me out on all avenues, because it's just what I like to YouTube for. I love my community. So I will show you guys me using this there. In the meantime, in between time, I'll see you next time. It's your girl, Bad Aunt BB. Over now.